Happy holidays, everyone. It's Jared here with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be showing you how to sublimate ceramic ornaments the right way with Geonite's Nomex heat felt. If you've previously seen how to sublimate aluminum ornaments, you might be wondering, how do ceramic ornaments fare? Heat Press Nation's ornaments in particular are white and specially coated for sublimation, so your transverse colors will be ready to pop out in the same gorgeous manner as our popular aluminum ornaments. The process and equipment needed for ceramic ornaments is much the same as their aluminum counterparts. Set up your images within ornament templates and print your transfer with your sublimation printer. Then trim the printed transfer and attach each piece to an ornament with heat tape or adhesive spray. However, you'll need one addition to properly press your ceramic ornaments, a form of heat-resistant extra padding for delicate flat ceramic substrates. For that, we have this Geonite Nomex heat felt, which is perfect for ceramic substrates like these ornaments. The softness of this pad is designed to prevent ceramic materials from cracking when under pressure. Of course, you'll need to readjust the machine's pressure, keeping the heat felt in mind. For many of HPN's ceramic ornaments, only light pressure is needed. You can do the paper pressure test to fine pressure, but you can also get a great feel for it with the blank ceramic ornament. Once you find the right pressure, change your machine's time and temperature. HPN's ceramic ornaments will need 190 seconds at 385 degrees Fahrenheit. To press multiple ornaments, add 30 seconds for each additional one. In our case, we'll use 310 seconds total for 3 more. Once your machine is at temperature, cover the felt with parchment paper, then place the taped ornaments with the paper side down. Cover the ornaments with parchment paper, then press. As a warning, if your felt is larger than your machine's lower platen, be sure to place your ornaments where the heating element touches the pad. Now we have a side of each ornament done, and as you can see, they look incredible. Just like the aluminum ornaments, our ceramic ornaments are also double-sided and ready to be fully customized. Stay tuned with us at HPN for a video on how to sublimate both sides of these ornaments. But with that, you're now ready to press ceramic ornaments. If you'd like to share with us any cool ornaments you've pressed and join a community of passionate heat transfer enthusiasts, check out our Heat Press Nation creators Facebook group at heat.press/FB group. For more details on sublimation ornaments, please visit us at heatpressnation.com. And for any questions, feel free to get in touch with a My Expert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. Well, once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful holiday season.